Hello everyone, welcome to our next lesson on geometric sequence. Geometric sequence is when you have a bunch of terms, and in order to figure out what the next term is, you have to multiply by a non-zero constant. So for instance, this one we start with 3. In order to get the next number, we had to multiply by 2. Then to get the next term, we're also multiplying by 2. And it keeps going like that. So you multiply by 2, 24, multiply by 2, 48, and so on and so forth. The formula we get is un equals u1 r to the power n minus 1, where r is your ratio. In order to figure out what your ratio is, you take any number, so for instance 12, and you divide it by the number before it. So 6. Now I could have used 6 as well, and divided by 3, and both of them give you the ratio of 2. I could have used 24 divided by 12, 48 divided by 24, etc., etc. So, for instance, if you had the question, find the fifth term of the geometric sequence, well, u5 is equal to u1. u1, once again, is your first term, which is 3. And your ratio is, we figured out, was 2 to the power of 5 minus 1. Now, just watch out. Sometimes I've noticed students, when they get this question, they multiply the 3 and 2 and get 6 and then do it to the power 4. But please don't do that. BenMath says that you don't do that, that you do the exponents first. So the answer for this one would be 3 times 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 3 times 16, which is equal to 48. A question that is common from IB is if you have something like this where you've got a geometric sequence where the first term is 5, the next term is x plus 1, and the next term after that is x minus 1. In order to solve these kinds of questions, you just have to realize that x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is your ratio, and it's also equal to the ratio of x plus 1 divided by 5. When you have a question like this, you simply cross multiply. So 5 times x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 1. And then you just go about solving this question. Hope that helps. Have a good day.